What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good evening and welcome to this video in which we'll talk a little bit about HBAR or HEDERA, it's called right now. It used to be called HEDERA hash graph. But yeah, wanted to talk about that in this video because, well, first of all, it's a project I hold. I think it's a great project. I think it's a good project. I'm still kind of in the middle as to whether I want to sell this or not, because I am an investor of new tokens. And HEDERA is pretty old, all right? And pretty old tokens tend to not perform as well as they did in the next bull market. So apart from that, HEDERA has been pretty bullish. Volume is amazing. Volume of HEDERA has always been pretty low, as you can see, definitely over the last month. But now it's great. It's has a 100% increase up to 11% of the market cap. Great, all right? The main reason for this move, and I do want to reiterate that I do think it's a good project, all right? If you want to invest in it, I'd say that's a good investment. Has some great use cases and is definitely unique from other cryptos. Main reason behind this move, I think, is, I mean, it's a project that's being developed quite a lot, and recently I saw some news about them working together with some specific Google products. So I think that's the main reason behind this move, but it's also just, it was just time to get some sort of a move with HEDERA. You could see that we already had a lot of bullish momentum in the last week. We should say, and after that we actually broke out. So let's talk about the price now. What you can see is that we first broke out above 6 cents, went all the way up to 6.3 cents, broke above that, and now unfortunately we've hit another resistance level, and that's not no resistance level, it's this one. As you can see, this trend line, but also just the general bearish trend we've been in with HEDERA is trying to break us down. All right, so unfortunately, I do think we're going to drop down quite a bit from this level at 6.5 cents. That doesn't mean, though, that there's no hope for HEDERA. All right, what I think is going to happen, in the end, the main resistance level right now to break is this minor resistance level at 6.6. So that's just the level we need to break above. If we can break above 6.6, then I think we can move all the way up to 7 cents. All right, which is very realistic, but I think it's more likely that will drop down, and then from there that will kind of consolidate on top of 6.3, and then as long as we stay on top of 6.3, I think we'll get that bullish breakout above 6.6 and move up to that level right here at 6.9 and 7 cents. So I think it's going to take a little bit longer. I don't think we're strong enough right now to really break through 6.6. I do think we'll have that chance a little bit later on. However, the thing I'm a little bit worried about is that tomorrow we'll have the inflation rate numbers of the United States, and that makes the market move a lot, always. All right, so tomorrow I'll do a full video on what I think is going to happen in different scenarios of the inflation rate. But for HEDERA specifically, if it's actually higher than expected, we're just going to drop down. All right, we're just going to drop down to 0.6 cents. It doesn't matter how bullish the project is, doesn't matter how bullish the technicals are, we're just going to drop. The other way is also true. If it's actually lower than expected, we'll get up to 7 cents immediately. All right, but I'm worried about that because that will shake up its whole structure. So we'll see about that. As I said, tomorrow I'll make a full video on that news event. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.